Welcome to the world of content creation in 2026. If you are a filmmaker, YouTuber, or brand owner in the United States, you know that the barrier to cinematic quality has officially collapsed. We are no longer just generating random 4-second clips. We are asking how to build entire narratives that don't look like an AI fever dream. For the last year, Sora and Kling have dominated the conversation, but with the 2026 release of Google Veo 3, the search giant has integrated video generation directly into the tools we already use. Today we are doing a full tutorial on the 2026 version of Veo 3.1 to see if its multimodal consistency is the game changer it claims to be. We will look at the new 4K ingredients system, the scene extension tech, and whether the $250 Ultra tier is actually worth it for US-based creators. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use Veo 3 to go from a text prompt to a broadcast-ready 4K asset in minutes. Let us start with the biggest breakthrough in the 2026 Veo dashboard: ingredients to video. In the past, keeping a character or a product looking the same across different shots was nearly impossible. In 2026, Veo 3 has introduced a reference lock system where you upload up to 3 ingredient images. This could be your brand's product, a specific character, or even a texture. And Veo ensures they remain 100% consistent across every generation. It uses Google's latest spatial reasoning models to understand that if a character turns around, their clothes and features shouldn't morph. This trick alone saves creators days of reshooting or fixing it in post, as you can now build a 30-second ad where the product looks identical in every frame. If you are following along in the Gemini app or Vertex AI, look for the Ingredients tab. This is where the 2026 magic happens, allowing you to anchor your AI video to reality. The second major pillar of Veo 3 in 2026 is native 48 kHz audio synthesis. We all know that bad audio kills good video, but in 2026, Veo is the first major model to bake high-fidelity sound directly into the generation process. It doesn't just add generic music, it generates synchronized sound effects based on what is happening on screen. If your prompt describes a classic Mustang accelerating on a rainy street in Seattle, Veo 3 generates the specific low-end rumble of the engine and the splash of tires on wet pavement, perfectly timed to the visual. For US creators making faceless channels or rapid response social media ads, this eliminates the need for separate sound design. It feels less like a video generator and more like a one-person film crew that handles both the camera and the boom mic. Now let us flip the script and look at the scene extension and flow editor feature, which is the standout addition for this year. If you open the flow tool today, you will see a timeline that looks more like Adobe Premiere than a simple prompt box. This isn't just hit generate and hope. The flow editor allows you to use first frame and last frame control. You can upload an image of how you want the shot to start and another for how it should end, and Veo 3 hallucinates the cinematic path between them. This level of director-level control is what separates Veo from the luck-based generators of 2025. It takes the guesswork out of motion, allowing you to focus on the storytelling rather than fighting the AI for a specific camera movement. For the professional creator, Veo 3's native 9:16 vertical export is a massive workflow win in 2026. If you are building for YouTube Shorts or mobile-first campaigns in the US market, cropping 16:9 video is a nightmare for composition. Veo 3 generates natively in 9:16, meaning the AI sees the vertical frame and composes the shot accordingly. In 2026, they have added an AI-powered Shorts optimizer that automatically identifies the most viral-worthy hook in your generated footage and suggests a trending audio layer from the YouTube library. It breathes new life into your production speed, ensuring you can keep up with the daily upload demands of the 2026 algorithm without burning out. Let us talk about numbers and value, because the 2026 pricing for Google AI is, well, it's a lot. Veo 3 is officially tiered to separate the hobbyists from the pros. There is a Google AI Pro plan for about $19.99 per month, which gives you access to Veo 3 Fast. Great for 720p drafts and social media clips. However, to get the 4K upscaling 8-second clips and the watermark-free standard model, you are looking at the Google AI Ultra tier at $249.99 per month. While that sounds like a car payment, for a US-based production agency, it replaces thousands of dollars in stock footage fees and camera rentals. For the average creator, the Pro plan is the sweet spot. But if you are doing professional client work, Ultra is the only way to get that broadcast-ready finish. Another factor we have to discuss in 2026 is the YouTube integration. Since Google owns both, Veo 3 is built directly into the YouTube Create app. This is a huge advantage over Sora or Kling because you can generate and publish without ever leaving the Google ecosystem. In 2026, the Dream Screen feature has been replaced by Veo Live, allowing you to generate AI backgrounds and B-roll while you are literally filming on your phone. For the US-based creator who needs to stay always on, having this level of production power in your pocket is a massive relief. It makes high-end video feel as easy as sending a text message. So, how does it stack up against the competition? In 2026, OpenAI's Sora 2 is still the king of raw visual wow factor, but it remains a standalone tool. Veo 3's advantage is its utility. The competitor match feature in Veo allows you to feed it a successful video from your niche, and it will analyze the lighting, pacing, and color grade to help you generate content that fits the current US market trends. This competitive intelligence is something that pure art generators don't offer, making Veo 3 the more business-minded choice for serious creators. The bottom line for 2026 is that Google Veo 3 is the new standard for predictable AI video. If you are just playing around with prompts, stick to the free trials. But if you are using the ingredient system to keep your branding consistent and the flow editor to control your shots, it is an unfair advantage in the attention economy. It is the tool for the director creator who understands that AI is a tool, not a replacement for vision. It is for the person who wants to dominate the YouTube feed with cinematic quality on a creator's budget. Thank you for watching this 2026 tutorial of Google Veo 3. I have put the links to the latest 4K prompt guides and a breakdown of the Pro versus Ultra credits in the description below. If this deep dive helped you realize that you don't need a $10,000 camera to win on YouTube this year, please hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews of the tech that is actually changing the game. We will see you in the next one as we continue to build the future of video together.